Hey guys, this is Marie Tavernier from marietavernier.com, and you are right now on my website on my front page where you will see information on how I make money online. You can access the blog from here, premium online training, and also my passive income training guide. Which you can sign up for directly from the front page of marietavernier.com. The links will be below. So today's video is very simple content creation, and it's one of the best things that you can kind of implement to your content because it makes it look professional, seamless, and also I believe it increases engagement. And the simple thing that you're going to learn today is how to remove the background in your images. Now, you've probably wanted to do this. Maybe you're paying someone or you have quite expensive software to do this. I am giving you the very low cost, and on this occasion free if you're not already a member, membership to Canva Pro. As a Canva ambassador, I have the ability to offer you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro and all of its features, where you can sort of play around with all the different features. There are so many to get to grips with. And this is the software that I use to create all of my content. We're not just talking about videos, we're talking about courses, we're talking about journals that I can sell online. We're talking about notebooks, bookmarks, timetables, whether it's star charts for your kids, or just business material that you can sell online, like freebie offers to enlist people onto your subscriber list. They have a template for everything, and I mean everything. And then they have this wonderful little feature here, which is to remove the background of an image. So we're going to do that now, and we're going to quickly just bring up the background of anything. So let's just say a YouTube thumbnail. Let's open up the YouTube thumbnail template. And as you can see, it's blank. And then let's go over to our upload. So what you're going to do is upload an image that you've taken, whether it be in your living room. And let's just say we take this one. Here's a wonderful one of me, and you can see this background, which you might be familiar with. A lot of my videos have this background, which I'm still working on that. But for now, this is how you're going to get rid of it. So we go over here. Now, reminder, this is only available in Canva Pro. As you can see flashing on the screen right now, it's just Canva Pro. The link below for the 330-day upgrade is available to you if you click that link and you sign up via my link. That will give you the 30-day free trial. There's no contract as well, so you can cancel at any time. We click on effects, and you'll see this here, background remover. Let's click on that, and let's let Canva Pro do its thing. And as that circles around, you will see it working its magic. Within the next maybe 30 seconds or less, you will see what it's about to do. See, it's working its magic there. And a 1, 2, there we go. Bang, we've got it. And that's literally it, guys. So there's the background gone. There it is. And just to show you what it's done, I'm going to put up this here, and this is the difference between the two. So this is how you go from that to this. I'm trying to move this across the screen. Working on my laptop today for various reasons, so I've got a little bit of an issue, but that is how simple it is. So that's how you go from this here to this beauty here, and then obviously you can design it whatever way you like in the background. Change the color. We all know I love my brand colors are yellow, or you can just keep it all white or black, or blue, and then you can put in some elements, whatever that might be, whether it's let's see, I don't know what this is. Who knows what this is about? And then we can sort of stick that in the background. Let's remove this. Let's get rid of that. And yeah, and then we just play around with it. Now you have the freedom to do whatever you want with your images. It really is that simple. So head down to the links below, grab that free 30-day trial so that you can use all the features inclusive of the background remover. You won't be able to live without it once you do. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and let everybody, all your friends, know that this is possible and can be done in less than 30 seconds. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.